How to make $60 an hour with airport runs. With this strategy, you can avoid wasting time. Trust me, you want to watch this video to the end. There's going to be a short 3-minute clip where I show you step by step exactly how I do this. And you can apply this to any city, state, major airport. Mastering Uber Algorithm, episode 4. Well, I'm going to tell you what the strategy is before I show you the video. Look, I'm at LAX right now. It's 9:20 and I'm working on my YouTube channel, and I've been waiting here for about an hour and a half, and now I'm getting bored, and I missed a $66 ride to Costa Mesa, but it's all good. Look, the strategy is simple. Look, you get up in the morning, somebody from my YouTube channel, a member, Mr. Sergio, asked me, okay, bro, I get up at 4:30 in the morning, I get to the airport by 5:30, I made my 35 bucks. Now what do? There's nobody available at the queue, right? It's like 5:30 in the morning, there's no flights coming in. Flights don't start coming in, or at least the queue doesn't pick up till around 8:30 in the morning. So he's like, bro, what do? I was like, bro, I got you, try this. Today, $34 from Pomona to LAX. Then I sat there and I waited 5 miles away. I didn't go to the queue. Just pay attention to this. You go 5 miles away, there's a bunch of hotels there, and you just sit there and you chill, you grab a coffee, you meditate, you pray, or you work on your passive income. Within 10 minutes, Uber's gonna give you a lowball offer for $9. You reject that. Then it's gonna give you a McDonald's delivery for $6. Reject that. You're waiting for at least a $14, $15 ride back to the airport, and I got it. Dropped off the passenger, made a great conversation, helped him with the bags. Before he even got out of the car and I took my notes, that $14 ride turned into $20. It took me 19 minutes. That's $60 in 1 hour. That's $1 a minute. That's just one. We've already made $34 to get to the airport. Now quickly we've made 20 bucks. We're at $54, $55. Again, you don't want to go wait at the airport queue. It's a prison. You know, watch my last video, episode 3. I told you it's a nasty prison, right? So what did I do? Now, instead of going south on Sepulveda towards Manhattan Beach, which is where I picked up the last passenger for $14, this time I said, you know what? Let's go to Arco, let's get some coffee, and let's try the Costco. Costco's got cheap gas, and I just hung out there off Rosecrans, 405 freeway. Again, Uber gave me, here's $8, Ahmed. We got this Starbucks coffee we want you to deliver. I was like, no, I want to go back to the airport. Then another $3 offer came because I was by McDonald's again. And I was like, $3 from McDonald's? Uber, you're stupid, man. You're crazy. I'm going to wait here for $14, $15 and I'm not moving. I literally talked to the algorithm. 15 minutes of waiting. I barely got my notes done or my script for my next video. Bam. It said go 3 miles. No, 3 minutes, 1.5 miles away and go pick up Nicole. I was like, cool. I'll go pick up Nicole. Showed up, picked up Nicole from Ramada. 3 women coming back from Japan, super tired and sleepy. Tried to make small talk. They didn't want to talk. Bags were heavy. 3 small bags, heavy. 3 big bags, heavy. I cracked a joke. I said, hey, she wins. She's got the heaviest bag. They started laughing. Then I dropped them off at the airport, and as I was getting to LAX, dude, it was a traffic jam. Just to go 1 mile, it was going to take 25 minutes to drop them off. It's Labor Day. It's a long weekend. I was like, hey, ladies, do you mind if I drop you at the arrivals? If I take you to the arrivals, I can get you there in 5 minutes. You can go relax. You can go to the bathroom. They're like, dude, you're freaking cool. Absolutely. Take us there. Take us there. Dropped them off. $14 ride. Turned into $23. They gave me an $8 tip because of the heavy bags. Now, $20 on the last passenger, $23 on this with a tip. Took less than 20 minutes again. That's $43 right there. $34 from the first passenger. That's how I got to $78. Now I'm going to show you the video so you can see in my Uber driver app screen. And remember, this strategy, dude, come on, turn your car off, lady. It's messing up. The sound's messing me up. I'm at LAX right now. I'm at the prison right now. But look, I'm working on my videos. $78 and 3 passengers in less than 3 hours. And I gave my business card to one of them. And when they come back, they're like, yo, we're going to get in touch with you. But look, that's a whole different playlist. It's called Converting Passengers. Stay tuned for that. I have to convert another 40, 50 passengers, really understand that strategy. And then, you know, No more art of cherry picking. There's 25 videos there. Now let me show you this video. Tell me what you think. All right, this video is for Sergio and Richard and anybody else that helps, so you can kind of see what's going on. It's around 8 in the morning. I started around 5 o'clock. Let me show you the summary. So, and I'll show you the rides in a second. Active for almost 2 hours, online for 3.5, 3 trips, $78, but it's exactly what I'm doing at LAX. Around 14 came in tips, which is fine. One person didn't tip, but the other 2 tipped. Now I'll go over all 3 rides, okay? This is the first one in the morning. You can see at 4:30, I got a ride from Pomona right by my house all the way to LAX. This paid $34 and I converted it into, give them my business card when they come back. They're local, they're gonna start booking me. Then when I came to LAX airport, I didn't wait at the queue. I moved to Manhattan Beach, you can see right here at 5:30, and brought him back right to LAX, and he ended up giving me a tip that gave me $20, right? Then once again, I went over here to, where is it, Hawthorne? This is right by Costco in Hawthorne. Give him right back right to LAX. 3 times I didn't get rematched, so I was like, whatever. And this is at 6:49. She gave me an $8 tip. I'm at 23. Now we add all that up. That's basically how you get this. $78 in 3 trips. Right now, if I get another ride out of LAX before 9 o'clock, I'll be at like $100. Then you just relax and you enjoy the day, and then start cherry picking one ride at a time. Right now, because I'm at LAX and I'm waiting, I'm literally, look, I don't know if, yeah, you probably can't see it. The video is done. It's gonna get uploaded today. You guys will see it around 2:22 p.m. And let me show you the queue. So look right here, you can see the queue. 86 for Uber X, 51 for Comfort, 26 for Excel. 2 rides popped up for $15, but I was working. I was like, I don't want to go right now. It's 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, I should be out of here. And most likely, I'm going to go towards Long Beach, because at 9 o'clock in the morning, airplane and flights are coming in at Long Beach, right? So hopefully this helps you out. And this is actually mainly for Sergio, because he was asking me, can you make money in the morning? Well, I did exactly what I told him. Get a long ride from home to LAX, and then just do these little ones. You know, $15 turns into 20, $15 turns into 23, and in 3 passengers, you're almost at $80. If the first one gave me a tip, I definitely would have been at $100 by now. Avoid wasting time. God damn it. How much you giving me? $14. Hell no. Hell no. How to make $60 an hour with airport runs. My friends, this is a proven strategy.